friends, for today's workout, we are going to do an amazing slow flow workout to the song I Hate It Here. Now, if you're here watching this video, chances are that you are a big swiftie or you really like this song, because this is a pretty deep cut, and I have been kind of crowdsourcing a little bit on making videos to these deep cut songs. I think, obviously everyone loves that You Belong With Me, but it takes a true fan to be working out to a song like I Hate It Here. So if there is a song, there's a deep cut, if there's a song that, isn't a crazy song that everyone knows about Taylor Swift, and you want to see a workout, if you could do me a favor and put in the comments that song, then it'll give me the motivation to make these videos. Let's get to this workout. Okay, all you're just gonna need is a mat, some space, and let's just flow it out.
Quick, tell me something awful, like you are a poet, trapped inside the body of a finance guy. Tell me all your secrets, all you'll ever be is my eternal consolation prize. You see, I was a debutante in another life, but now I seem to be scared to go outside. If comfort is a construct, I don't believe in good luck, now that I know what's what. I hate it here, so I will go to secret gardens in my mind. People need a key to get to, the only one is mine. I read about it in a book when I was a precocious child. No mid-sized city hopes and small town fears. I'm there most of the year, cause I hate it here. I hate it here. My friends used to play a game where we would pick a decade we wish we could live in instead of this. I'd say the 1830s, but without all the racists and getting married off for the highest bid. Everyone would look down, cause it wasn't fun now. Seems like it was never even fun back then. Nostalgia is a mind's trick. If I'd been there, I'd hate it. It was freezing in the palace. I hate it here, so I will go to lunar valleys in my mind. When they found a better planet, only the gentle survived. I dreamed about it in the dark. The night I felt like I might die. No mid-sized city hopes and small town fears. I'm there most of the year, cause I hate it here. I hate it here. I'm lonely but I'm good, I'm bitter but I swear I'm fine. I'll save all my romanticism for my inner life, and I'll get lost on purpose. This place made me feel worthless. Lucid dreams like electricity, the current flies through me, and in my fantasies I rise above it. And way up there, I actually love it. I hate it here, so I will go to secret gardens in my mind. People need a key to get to, the only one is mine. I read about it in a book when I was a precocious child. No mid-sized city hopes and small town fears. I'm there most of the year, cause I hate it here. I hate it here. Quick, tell me something awful, like you are a poet, trapped inside the body of a finance guy.
right, friends, I hope you enjoyed that. And again, let me know what song you want to work out to or what song you're working out to next. All right, friends, have a great one.